welcome back to Easy Art. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a candy reindeer Christmas card. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
So I have some brown paper and I have a cutout of a reindeer that I'm going to trace and cut out myself. And then I have these little cartridge knives that I'm going to use, that I usually use for paper cutouts. And I'm going to use them for the small corners that I can't get with the scissors. Make sure you have something to cut on. Trace the nose and cut it out too. You'll need a backside, so just trace the big part of the antlers and the face. Make sure they fit, and then erase any pencil marks that may have shown up on the sides. For this next part, you'll need one red candy and one circular candy. I'm just going to tape the edges that stick out to the middle of the candy and do that for both of them. Then I'm going to take some tape and tape the red one to a toothpick. Don't forget to trim the edges and make sure it fits into the nose hole. Now just take a black marker and color in the wire brackets on the antlers. Trace out 2 eyes and mouth and also color those in. A fun fact about reindeer is that in the north they call them caribou. For the eye highlights, I'm again going to use white acrylic paint and a Q-tip. I'm going to cut off the tip and use both sides. The poofy side for the bigger circles and the stick side for the smaller circles. Take some white paper and roughly cut out the shape of the ear, and then cut out a little triangle to make it look realistic. And then take some yellow and make a bell for the tip of the reindeer antler. Make one Christmas light bulb and make the rest appear. Use triangular pieces of tape to tape the ears on. And use little pieces for the Christmas lights. Did you know reindeer's hooves expand in the summer and shrink in the winter? Now take a brown marker and color in the antlers. Then do multicolored Christmas lights and scatter out the colors throughout the wires. Use a piece of red yarn to make a bow. Take a toothpick and cut off the end. I'm going to cut off some black material that's like a poster board to give it some height. Hot glue them on. And then take your candy on a toothpick and hot glue that on too, but make sure it's cut to size. Add some more glue for support. Add lots of tape bubble to the back and then press the back on. Take some tape and tape on the last few candies. And here's the reindeer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more. Have a great day. Bye, guys.